Today we're going to be doing a unboxing video on the Browning 1911 380 Black Label. I just picked up this gun and we're going to do a unboxing here on camera for you. I'll be doing a full review on this gun here the next week or so once I get a chance to get it out on the range and get a little more familiar with it. But for now I just brought it home, so we're going to unbox it here on video so you guys can see what all you get if you're looking to buy one of these Browning 1911 380s. You see it does come with a nice hard plastic case with the Browning 1911 logo on it. And we'll open it up here. It's got two latches there. And you can see there we have the gun, two magazines, the cable lock, as well as the owner's manual and other paperwork. And as you can see, I have the more upgraded model with these beautiful rosewood grips and the Browning logo in gold, and the two-tone slide with the polished and black finish on it. Put it around here to the other side. And this is a scaled down 1911. Browning says it's about 85% the size of a regular full-size 1911. And it really shows. It's not like a SIG 938 or 238 or any of the small Kimbers, where they're more of like a chopped up kind of full-size 1911. This is They took a 1911 and they reduced it in size. It's basically a full-size 1911, but 15% smaller would be the best way for me to describe it to you. And like I said, the gun does come with two magazines. These are 8-round capacity. Go ahead and pull the slide back here, make sure it's clear. Yep. Let's go ahead and install the magazine so I can show you the trigger. This has a very nice trigger on it. Just a nice clean break, just what you'd want in a 1911. And this gun does have a magazine disconnect. If you pull the magazine out, the trigger will not engage until you put the magazine in. Another thing that's sort of unique about this gun, the frame on this gun is actually made out of polymer. Sort of a unique feature in a 1911. I mean, there are a few other ones on the market like that, but sort of unique, and it keeps the weight down. This gun weighs nothing, especially compared to a full-size, like my Colt government model. But about covers the unboxing for now. Like I say, once I get a little more familiar with it and get it out to the range, we'll do a full video on it. We'll disassemble it, we'll shoot it, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Thank you for watching, and I'd appreciate it if you would like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.